Good morning, class. Let us draw today a fisherman in his boat throwing his net into the water. So first I am going to draw some waves. Fine. And now the next line. This is going like this. Next line will be going like this, and it is going to touch here. Watch it. It's touching it here. See. Okay, and so on. Again, the next line, it is like this. The next line should start like this. Okay, and so on we will do. So this much is done. We will do the shading later. Let us make a boat first, a fishing boat. Okay. So here is a fishing boat, and I would like to draw a fisherman as well. I am starting with his legs. Somehow it looks comfortable to me. We don't need much of detailing here. Just roughly I am going to draw his legs. His arms are stretched. I am not worried about the detailings. Okay, I just want it in a abstract way. not worried about the retailing message. Okay, the legs. Okay, figure is very easy, just follow the steps. So this is our fisherman, the boat, and now for these waves, what I am going to do is, watch it. I am just simply applying hatching, but only one on the left side of each wave. Okay. Okay, and so on we will do in each of the waves. Okay. So it is done like this. Now these waves, I am going to increase the number of lines in these waves since they are near to us. Okay. As we increase the number of lines, they look darker than these. You will see. I am simply increasing the number of lines. And that is what I am going to do in all these areas. Okay, now you see this area looks darker than this. Okay. Now in the middle portion, again I am going to increase a few lines, but number of lines should be less than this area. Okay. That's enough. Just a few here and there. Okay, just a few. I'm not going to do it everywhere. So it is done. I am going to add more waves here. But maybe a little smaller in size. You see? I am adding the waves. Just a few more. Just one line more. Now the waves are even shorter. Okay. Now a little bit of shading on this line as well, just like we did before. Just like before. Okay, so here it is. Now the boat. It is going to be almost dark, very dark. Okay, so here is the boat and the fisherman, and he should have a net. I am going to draw the net. He is throwing the net in the water, right? Now for the net, fine. Now I am going to do a bit of cross hatching. Okay, now our double cross. Just randomly. I'm doing it just randomly. It may be quite dark where he is holding the net. Here is okay, and now I am going to outline the net quite dark. Okay, so you see I have outlined it quite dark, and inside the net randomly number of lines at some places are more and some places are less. It is creating an effect of light and dark and dark and light. Okay, where he is holding the net it can be dark. Now here the waves where the boat is, it should be a little darker. So this much is done, and now I am going to use some blue pencil color on this drawing. Okay, first I am going to color the sky with blue. It's light blue, and I will be coloring it very lightly. You see, when I color, I am not going to cover it completely. I am doing it like this, very lightly. So whites are there. Okay, color it like this. Don't cover it completely. Let some white be visible. So here is the sky. You can see somewhere it is dark and somewhere it is light. I am pressing it hard when I want some darker shade. I am keeping it very light when I want some light color, and at many places I have leave it as it is. Okay, and as it comes near the water it gets lighter and lighter. Okay, and now I am going to color the waves. Same way, I am not going to cover the waves completely as well. Only on one side I am randomly doing it. Just like this. As it's getting closer, the waves, what I am doing, on the shaded side I am pressing the pencil really hard, and on this side I am keeping it light, but I am covering it completely, each wave. Okay, so here it is. The sky is visible through the net as well. So don't leave this area. Do it lightly, but do it. There should be some blue visible through the net as well. Okay, so here it is. The waves are darker when they come near to us. You can see I have pressed the pencil really hard here, and as it goes away, it gets lighter. Near the boat, the shade is darker as well, and we can add a few birds. Some smaller and some bigger. Different size, okay? So I have added some birds, and I am going to do the fisherman quite dark. I'm just adding a little more shadow. I'm making it more dark, and so the boat. Okay, so here is our fisherman throwing the net, and draw it, enjoy it. Try to do some more drawing with this style only. Imagine what you can do. Okay, try to think. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.